My people, this na TMC TV. My name na Omo Aluke Ajakaye. And as you know for TMC TV, na matter when concern you, when concern mama, when concern papa, when concern everybody to make sure say our country dey better. Now we dey carry come the mouth. And today, wetin we want make you chook mouth, na matter when concern redesign of the Naira. You go remember say during the week, Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, come out say they want redesign the Naira. The governor of Central Bank, Govunor Emefiele, talk say the plan to redesign 200, 500, and 1,000 Naira notes go help check fake money for market. Come still talk say by December 15, 2022, all this new money go dey market for people to use. And by January 31st, 2023, the old Naira notes wey be 100 Naira, 200, 500, and 1,000 go comot for market. Other groups don come out say this plan to redesign the Naira go help check security matter when dey happen for Nigeria. Others say go help check corruption. But as people dey praise the plan of Central Bank, other people dey criticize the plan. The Minister of Finance, Zainab Ahmed, don come out say dem no know about this plan of Central Bank, and for this time, this plan of Central Bank go worsen the situation. They go bring many complications. Even Governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, don talk say this plan of Central Bank no be part of our priority as a nation, and because of 2023 election that this matter dey happen. Say the matter dey very political.
How can we sit down? They say we should all bring our Naira and give it to them again. That they want to change it. Eh? Is that our priority? No. How does currency exchange or change of currency, how does it reduce the price of food in the market? See now, they say they want to change currency, Nigerian currency. How much is dollar today? I mean, they should have left our own currency for us. Now they say they want to change it. We can't buy dollar, we can't even see dollar. I am an economist. I can tell you categorically that this policy by the federal government, by the Central Bank of Nigeria, has no basis in economics. There is no reason to. This is purely political. When you decide to change your currency in such a roughshod manner, 30 days before an election, all you can adduce is that this is purely political. There's nothing urgent about our currency, changing our currency today. There's no urgency. The urgency for us is how to get food for our citizens so that we can remove the starvation in the land. The urgency is how to maintain discipline in our monetary policy so that we can manage our foreign exchange rate because we are so import dependent.
Now this one make us carry matter come street. How this redesign of 200, 500, 1,000 will affect the common man for street. This plan, it go help reduce the price of food for market, it go help reduce the price of transport. Now we want to make you chook mouth, make you tell us how the matter will affect you.
I'm not a big economics analyst, but I think what I heard from people saying, they said that to reproduce the note bill, it is to like frustrate the money that they have hidden from Nigeria. This is what the people are saying. But there are a lot of other economic analysts who said it's not going to be good. So if the Nigerians are saying, the Nigerian government said they want to redesign the money, what is wrong with the former one? Why is it that the money should be redesigned? But for me, if there is going to be an advantage on reproducing it, they should go ahead. But for me, as a lay person, I don't have any advantage and disadvantage. But from what I'm hearing from the street, that, because of the money that they have hidden, so I support the redesigning of the currency.
The way I see him, it touched me well. Which I just say it will still touch many people. The Naira, not be saying not good, make that they change every 6 years because of people where they thief. But one thing, when I want make Nigeria know, be say our mumu don't do. Some people they work, some people they pack the money, go they hide. Not be good thing now. Not good thing. So now I make government say they won't change them. I sure. And if we change it, I believe say it will yield some positive result and negative result. Because before you come begin to change money, you go look wetin the society really need. Number one, wetin they need. Number two, if the society say they need the money now, you change am. If na help they need, with the water they carry everywhere they go now. We wan talk about money and it will cause inflation. This thing wey we wan change, e go cause inflation. If we are not careful, you go surprise say the thing go come reduce Nigeria to number one position. E good make we dey check our balance. E good make we dey look the professionals, make we dey ask the question. This thing wey we wan do so, e good? E no be khaki matter, e no be say I get power matter dey take dey do this kind thing. This thing wey we wan do so, e good or e bad? The people wey wear the shoe wey know wetin dey hit them, na dey come tell us say this thing e good like this o. No, people wey dey Aso Rock dey enjoy free air, na talk o, free car, free fuel, free motor. Their children dey pay them. You know that kind of thing e no good now. E no good. So people wey really dey deal with the thing, now you suppose to ask whether wetin we dey do so e good before you go come dey just like wetin dey ask me so. Before we go come begin dey talk how we go come adjust ourselves. So I believe say they no dey think about the people at all. I don't say money no good, I don't say the changing it no good, but make them dey think about the people before they know how they take dey do this kind thing.
Governor Obaseki, our governor for this Edo state now, he don't come out say this changing of and redesigning of currency no be our priority for now. Say na political move because of 2023. How you see that one?
Obaseki is a technocrat. Are you listening to me? He's a technocrat. When Obaseki said that, he saw it from the way I see it too. Because the people we are dealing with, they have problems. Now you think about it now. We have politics. We have election on ground. That's a big problem. We have water ravaging everywhere. That's number two problem. We have hunger. Number two. All these are the issues. So Obaseki is a technocrat. If he says so, he's very right.
Design currency of pounds or naira. All the designing, what you want, make Nigeria good. If Nigeria good, even though say 1 naira we are using, that 1 naira you take and go to market, you will see what you use and buy. But na not be to design. You design pounds, you design Nigeria highest currency. If you take am to market, you will not see what you use and buy. That one is not making sense. What you want for Nigeria, let Nigeria be better place. Let everything come normal. Good like before. The time I was born, I see the time of Shehu Shagari, there was that things are good. But nothing belong, all those things now, it not be like that, like the same. So now to make things good, not be by the currency or naira. Make things for balance before anything.
Central Bank of Nigeria don't come out say they want to redesign the naira, 100 naira, 200, 500 and 1,000. How you feel about that one?
The idea is very bad because you know guy want to help this country. You know guy want to make this country better. Because if you change the currency, you know guy go to stop flooding. You know guy go to stop the inflation of prices for market. Say price they go up till they more expensive. And the only thing, it only benefits them because they thought they want to bring 2,000 naira note, they want to bring 5,000 naira note. It only benefits them because this time they can't feel they thief big money, you not go know. You carry big money for pocket, nobody go no. You know guy go say help the country, so that will not be waiting suppose even they bother them at all.
I thought say may they change and be say people wey they don't hide money for one side. If they change and that money will waste.
It is surprising me. Why surprise me be say if you're a designer, wetin we go gain as Nigerians? Wetin be our benefit? Wetin artists they won't do now for their benefit? Oh, they don't already plan the game. They already plan the game how they want to do them. So that when they will change this money, they will go keep the money to bring the money come out. It will come hard. Problem what we get not be to change money, not to repair the economy. This money you not get what to do. If they say they want to go put another person head for any money when they want to print now, we don't know. If they put another person head, how it go to affect what I go buy for ring road, just when I go buy for market. So say they won't change money, I don't see any benefit when it go benefit us at all, you know they. Though it be like say for people when they keep money for inside house. How many people they keep naira for inside house? Now very few. Then they change it to hard currency. And they will talk and they'll go bring out the money now, they pay her in small. Use different company when they open. Their father, own grandfather, great grandfather, even those when they die. They see they operate company for Nigeria here. Then they do contracts. All the contracts they see for Nigeria today now. The name of the people, we know they know them. They'll say KM, limited, this one limited, we no know the human being. Now they say they do am by themselves. So what I think say they wan do now be say they go get where take all the money wey dem carry, kind of come and put for inside bank, because na dollars na dey change money to, not be naira. So say they wan change naira now, I don't know why they want to benefit us at all. I'm not sure say e go benefit us.
Changing of currency no go fit help anything this time. I believe say the government, based on say their time dey very short, make dem still count that one as one of their own achievement. But if you look at the current situation of our country now, insecurity, prices of foodstuff, they go up every day. I don't believe saying that one go make things work. At least there are other areas where they're supposed to focus their attention, so that at the end of the day, the masses go feel their impact as government. Changing of currency not go reduce anything. It not go make price of food for market go down. It not go make the insecurity stop. It not go make, although that they believe say as they don't do and they go one way to tackle corruption. Maybe some leaders when they store Nigeria currency for their house. But me, for my own view, na waste of time.
To redesign the money, not that is bad, but if they want to do it, they should do it with good heart, so that those bankers will not try to connive with the big men, because the object of redesigning it is to catch those thieves. People like the Malegbe in those days that hid some money inside a tanker. How would they be able to come and change it? If the bankers are actually sincere, they should minimize the number of amount to be changed by one person. If they do that one and the bankers are actually sincere, Nigeria will be okay. But if the bankers connive with them, bring a whole house full with naira, say abeg come and change it for me, automatically the object of changing the money is valueless. So it is the bankers itself that government should check, and they should be people of credible mind that will not succumb or will not buy the ideas of say, oh yeah, give me 20 naira or give me so percentage. I don't understand. If they do that, we'll allow it. Yes, it's because of 2023 election, actually that is the truth. So that those people who want to, like them Atiku, who have a bag of money, and even Tinubu, so that they will checkmate them.
My people, this na still TMC TV, and we still dey on top the currency redesign matter. You don't hear wetin our people talk. Some praise central bank, some say this plan of central bank na very good development, and e go help check corruption, and e go still help check insecurity matter. Others talk say this one no be our priority right now. Say we get flooding when they happen for Nigeria, hunger dey the land, the price of transport and the price of other things don increase for market, and this currency redesign by Central Bank of Nigeria no go help the matter at all. My people, now here we go match break for the matter, but we go still dey give una more update on top this matter. This na TMC TV. My name na Aluke Ajakaye. No forget your PVC na be your power. No say I'm giving any politician on election day.